Well, it's been a long, long time since I've been riding. Oh, as you could tell. Yes, get it in gear. Get it in the right gear. It's been so long. God, it feels like months. I think it has been months since the last time I've ridden. Just gonna see what's up here. And it's such a nice day right now. Whoop. Woo! Just a perfect day in the desert. Zero wind. 64 degrees. Ah, just amazing. And it's so nice to be back on the bike. Wow. It's been much too long. Where is it? There it is. Oh. All right. I've never been down that before. All right, we're going to turn around here and hopefully see if I can make it up that. Woo! Yeah. Just learning that the secret is never let go of the gas, man. Just keep it on the gas. Let's turn around here, see if we can head down that one trail. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Instead of taking that one, I'm going to take this one. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, not too bad. We'll go up the next one onto the left there. Which one? The one to the left. Whoa! Hey. Was not expecting side by side. Woo! All right. Not sure what to do next. Oh, let these guys go. Yeah, if you're wondering why there's people out here, because it's Memorial Day. So there's a lot of people out here. Oh, I can head up this way. Well, that's the steepest part I've ever gone down or up. It's fun to just keep progressing. Let's try that again. Oh my God. Phew. Wow, that's a vertical drop on the other side. All right, I'm not sure what to do now. Just want to keep going up and down steep stuff. All right, let's go find something else. my God. This is fun. I can't tell you how much I miss this. Especially after all the crap I've been going through lately. Oh, it's great. So in case anybody's interested, I thought I'd show you what I'm doing with the Skydio 2 drone and how I'm carrying it and what I did. So the controller, sure, you can put it in your pocket, but when you're riding, you want to be able to have it upright so you can see the screen and see the time. And of course, they don't have any type of clamp or mount system at all. So that's a big fail for Skydio. That's just ridiculous, especially for something like this that's supposed to be used in action sports. I heard that they might be coming out with with some kind of a mount, but you know, that's got to come out with the product. I mean, come on. So what I did is I don't know if you could see this here. I actually made this little aluminum piece that just makes a little tower to get up above the nuts. Then I have the dual lock on the front and back of this, and then I just snap it on, and it doesn't move. Now, just in case, I put a little leash on, and you just thread it through, put this on, put this down, there. So that's the riding position. If I was flying it, I'd twist it and put it this way so I could read the screen. And that leash just makes sure, in case I bump it with my body or something stupid like that, I'm not going to lose it and have it fall. The other thing for the drone itself, I have this is a photography's wrap. Photographers use it for wrapping up lenses and stuff. This one's from Calumet. I think they're out of business, but there's a lot of other companies that make this. And one side's kind of protective, the other side's a Velcro-y. It has Velcros on the corners. So all you do is just put it up, put it across. See, it holds. Put it up, boom. Now the drone's kind of protected. And I have my larger Kriega. This is an R15. Fits perfectly in it. I still have my water bladder in there, but it just slides right in. And there you go. So that's how I carry it. The drone's pretty light, so I don't mind it. I have 3 separate batteries that I take off, and I have them in my side saddle here, because those are kind of heavy. But the drone stays in the back. And that's my setup for the Skydio drone. It works great. Very easy to deploy and put back together. Takes no time at all. So if you're getting one, or if you have a different drone, there's some tips and tricks. Let's see, which way do I want to go? I'm going to get over there. So we're going up. Should I try that? Yep. Don't hesitate. Whoa. Ah! Wow. Worst possible spot to flame it out. Oh. Don't stop, come on. I could not make that turn. Woo! How the hell am I going to get down from here? Do not want to fall to the right. Come on. Calm down. Oh. I could not make up my mind which way I wanted to go, left or right. Ended up going right in the middle. I gotta make a decision faster than that. I gotta just go, but I don't feel comfortable doing it from here. Come on, drop down. There we go. All right. See, now I can get my right foot onto the brake. I feel much better. The rear brake. I feel much better. All right. Oh, it's not too bad. It's just a big loose rock. All right. All right, that was a little gnarlier than I thought it was going to be, but fun. Oh, there is a trail going down that way. I was just going to the top here. This entire area. I don't think I've been up into those mountains that side. I guess I could head over this way. I'm not sure I've ever been that way either. Should we go take a look? Whoa. Not so sure I want to do that. I think that's the only way down off of this hill. I think I'll turn around and go across the other way on that side. Wow. Stalling a lot today, but I think it's because all the rocks keep getting me. So, thanks for joining me on this. Get back out and ride. And you guys do the same thing. Man, if you can, get out there. Work off some of that stress. It's definitely worth it. Even if it's only for an hour, just get out there. So I will see you on the next one. Take it easy. Oh, I gotta adjust my rear rebound. It keeps kicking. Oh! Whoa! Yeah, the rebound's too quick in the back. Woo! It keeps kicking me up in the rear.
Whoa, wait a minute. Don't click that link. Otherwise, I'll just be talking to myself. Oh, that's all right. Go ahead. I'll see you later.